Good morning students. Welcome to digital classes. In previous classes we have learnt about chemical equations, their characteristics to get more information. But in chemical equations we know some compounds will be. So before learning about chemical equations we should know formulas. So first of all, before going that, we should know about some elements. So based on elements only, compounds we will know easily. So that elements classified in periodic table. So first we have a look on periodic table. So in periodic table each element denotes its relevant element. So first one, hydrogen. Hydrogen, letter H, hydrogen, for denoting hydrogen gas. Hydrogen, H letter. Second, helium, right side, helium. Second one, helium. It is a inert gas, noble gas. It will not react with any other element. Next, lithium. Third one, lithium. Li, lithium. Next, Be, beryllium. Be, beryllium. Remember, Nana? Be means beryllium. Next, single B. Single B means boron. Single B means boron. Next, C, carbon. In all materials, most of the materials contains carbon material in the earth. Even in our skin also carbon will be present. In trees also, any wood, if you take any wood, in that carbon will be present. Next, nitrogen. Most of the fertilizer, nitrogen will be nitrogen, ammonia, NH3. Formula NH3, ammonia. In ammonia, nitrogen there. So nitrogen, N means nitrogen, and Ni means nickel. That is another element, Ni. Only N means nitrogen. Next, oxygen gas. We know about oxygen gas. Oxygen gas compulsory. Without oxygen, no living organism, they continue their survival. So oxygen is very important for human beings. Not only human beings, for all living organisms on the earth. So oxygen, this one oxygen. Next, fluorine. Fluorine, F, just fluorine. We know fluorosis disease. In biology it will come fluorosis disease. That will come from only F. Next, neon. Neon, this red color, total 8th A, top side 8th A there, 8A, that is total, this vertical column total inert gases. Next, sodium. Sodium metal. Regularly we are using sodium product. Which one? NaCl, common salt. In food we are providing, na, to enhance our food taste. We will mix with curry, salt, common salt. In common salt, NaCl, sodium chloride, sodium there. Next, magnesium. Magnesium, in leaves magnesium will be present. In green leaf magnesium will be present. That is also important. Magnesium, Mg, magnesium. Next, aluminium. We know conductors. In our home, wiring purpose, in wire, aluminium wire there. So in that aluminium wire, in that aluminium only total aluminium atoms of aluminium. Next, silicon. Silicon means in sand, silica. Actually sand chemical formula silica. In silica only silica. In silica, in silicon element there. Next, phosphorus. P means phosphorus. Next, sulfur. Phosphorus also one of the primary nutrients for plants. Next, sulfur. In our nails also there, sulfur in nails, and that within onions also. In vegetables, onions also, most of the content is sulfur. Next, chlorine. here CI not nana, Cl, capital C, small l, chlorine element, Cl, chlorine element. Next organ. Next to potassium. Potassium. This is also one of the primary nutrient. Next calcium. Our bones, teeth, made up of calcium phosphate. In that most of the content is calcium. Next scandium. Titanium. Ti means titanium. Next vanadium. Vanadium. Next chromium. Chromium regularly, suppose if you have a bicycle, upon bicycle handle shining color. In new bicycle, if you buy new bicycle, upon handle shining color will be just like in silver color, that is chromium. Actually inside iron metal there, that iron metal coated with chromium. Next manganese. Mn means manganese. Next Fe, iron. We know iron bars, window bars, that is total made up of iron. Most of the utensils also iron. Next to CO, cobalt. Just to observe the difference, Nana. C means carbon. Cl means chlorine, capital C, small l, chlorine. CO means cobalt, capital C, small o, cobalt. Next nickel. Only N means nitrogen. But Ni means nickel. Just to sense the difference. Next Cu means copper. C means carbon. Single C denotes carbon. Cu means copper. Next zinc. Zn, zinc. So up to that we should know minimum up to 30 elements we should know. Okay students, up to 30 elements, this is the information about elements, so which are usable in second chapter, chemical equations. Remaining all elements we will learn in periodic table chapter, classification of elements chapter. So next we will go for chemical equations. In chemical equations some of the formulas we should learn, so we will go for that. Students, now we go for chemical equations. In chemical equations I will give some simple examples, so listen carefully students. Why? Because from this chapter compulsory questions, 2 or 1 question will be asked in the SSC annual examination, so listen carefully. So from simple examples we should start now. So next after that we will go for simple to complex. First of all, when hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen, listen carefully, when hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen gas, it will form water. So hydrogen gas plus oxygen gives rise to water. Means hydrogen gas, here hydrogen gas reactant, oxygen gas also reactant, but here water product. Hydrogen gas reactant, oxygen gas reactant, but water here. You say for water, is there any other letter? Have you observed in periodic table for water any symbol there? No. Water is produced due to the combination of hydrogen oxygen. So for water there is no particular letter, but this one, hydrogen and oxygen, they combine together and forms water. So in water molecule, hydrogen atoms there, oxygen atoms there, hydrogen atoms there, oxygen atoms there. So we cannot observe properly if you write in words. So for that, for measuring quantity of hydrogen gas, to get more information from that. It is very complex. So due to that, simply if you mention letters, hydrogen gas, for hydrogen gas H2, for oxygen gas O2. Now hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas, they both combine together, it forms water, H2O. Water always in the formula of H2O. See downside, H2 indicates hydrogen gas, H2 hydrogen gas symbol, O2 oxygen gas symbol, but H2O water formula, molecular formula H2O. You always for water H2O you should write 2HO, HO2. It is not correct method, only H2O. If you write 2HO, it is wrong method. Only H2O is correct. Always water formula H2O. Downside H downside 2 means 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen, H2O. Next, to write any chemical equation we should know some formulas, we should know some basic formulas. So they are, water means you know already, water H2O. Next, carbon dioxide, or in breathing, inhale is oxygen gas, exhale means carbon dioxide, CO2. Plants also during night time, plants also release CO2 gas. Next, carbon monoxide, when partial burning of wood or partial burning of coal, it liberates CO. Carbon monoxide, CO, carbon monoxide. Next, hydrochloric acid, HCl. We already know this acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid. It has another name, gastric acid. Why? Because in digestion of food it is very useful. Why? Because this HCl gas is produced in our stomach, HCl gas. Next, sulfuric acid. If I call with the name of sulfuric acid, you don't know, but battery acid means you know. Generally when power cuts, we will use battery in lab. So in that lab we will get power supply from batteries. In that batteries, that battery is full of H2SO4, sulfuric acid. It is battery acid, and it has another name also, king of chemicals. It has one of the chemical, but it has name king of chemicals. Why? Because most of the elements, most of the chemical reactions, for that H2SO4 sulfuric acid is very useful. So for that purpose, H2SO4 is known as king of chemicals. For all preparations, H2SO4 is used, mostly used. Next, nitric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. Next, sodium chloride, NaCl, common salt. In our food we will pour some for tasting purpose salt, common salt, that is sodium chloride formula. Next, ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, C2, carbon 2 H5OH, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. Recently our government provided bottles and sanitizers to away from the coronavirus. So in that sanitizers, 80%, nearly above 75 or 80% ethyl alcohol will be present. So you can check in your home, suppose any hand sanitizer there means, upon the label you can check, there will be ethyl alcohol. Next, some of the formulas, calcium oxide, for whitewashing, calcium oxide, in Telugu sunnam, calcium oxide, Ca, calcium O, oxygen, CaO, calcium oxide. Next C3H8 propane. It's one kind of fuel. C3H8 propane. Next sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Compulsory you should keep in your mind, Nana, these formulas while answering chemical equations. Suppose in the examination they won't ask directly, they won't give directly. Suppose in the words sodium sulfate, when barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate, what kind of products will be formed? Like that they will ask in the examination. So for that, if they ask in words, you have to write. You will be ready to. You should be ready to write that formula. So for that purpose, you should learn properly. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4, Na sodium, S sulfur, O oxygen, Na2SO4. Next, how can we write like this? Sulfate. Sulfate means based on this formula. SO4 means sulfate. Pronunciation, Anna, only pronunciation. Next, nitrate. NO3 means nitrate. SO4 means sulfate. NO3 means nitrate. NO2 means nitrite. NO means nitrous. Nitrous. Next, zinc chloride. ZnCl. Zinc chloride. Actually, ZnCl not zinc. ZnCl2. 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 Next, barium chloride. BaCl2. Barium chloride. Next, ammonium chloride. NH4Cl. Next, calcium chloride. CaCl2. Chloride. CaCl2. Chloride. Next, copper chloride. CuCl2. Copper, you know already. Copper metals, copper utensils, copper wire. CuCl2. It has another name, cuprous chloride. CuCl2. Next, magnesium chloride. MgCl2. Magnesium chloride. Next, glucose formula. C6H12O6. From lower classes onwards, we have been learning glucose formula. C6H12O6. Next, calcium nitrate. CaNO3 taken BICE. Calcium nitrate. Next, calcium hydroxide. CaOH2. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. In Telugu word, tadi sunnam. Calcium hydroxide. Next, sodium hydroxide. NaOH. In our lab, sodium hydroxide means in your lab sodium hydroxide pellets will be. Pellets, sodium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. KOH. Potassium hydroxide. Next, to potassium chlorate. KClO3. Potassium chlorate. K means potassium. You should not write pronunciation. Potassium means it is not P. K. Potassium chlorate. Next, to sodium sulfate. Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate. Next, to potassium chloride. KCl. You should not write to PCl. K. Potassium means KCl. Next, to mercury nitrate. Hg. Hg means mercury. Hg. H, capital H, small g. Mercury nitrate NO3 taken BICE. So up to next class you should be ready with these formulas. Then only we will start chemical equations. We will continue chemical equations and after that balancing chemical equations. Okay, until bye. Bye, Nana.